No food review today, so I thought I'd do something useful for a change. I'm going to show you how to turn off the active @ feature that shows up in your DMs on Instagram. If you don't know what I'm talking about, take a good look here. You can actually see Jaybird Designs is active at this moment. What if she doesn't want you to know she's active? How much does that suck for her? Look, Peep This Out has been active today. Breaking news. 28 minutes ago, the endorsement was active. I don't know about those guys. Personally, I don't need people knowing when I was active on my Instagram. So we're going to fix that right now. We're going to go up here to the top left. Then we're going to go bottom right. And then we're going to look at my wonderful Instagram page for just a moment. We're going to study the features. We're going to remember how to find it later. So when you guys want to come, follow, subscribe, whatever you're going to do on Instagram, because I don't keep up, you're going to hit the little button that says you follow us. Mr. Happy 0121. Now we're going to go up top right. And this works for the Galaxy as well. You got the ellipses and the dots and whatever else for different systems, but you're going to go top right. Right there where it says show activity status. Boom, off. Simple as that. Now we're going to go back and check. Paige has been dancing there for quite a while. Yes, now we're back in the real world. In the real world, Peep This Out Reviews hasn't sent me a DM in 49 weeks. The endorsement, 51 weeks. Tyler Joseph Smith, 65 weeks. You know what? That's the way I like it. Thanks for watching, guys. Until tomorrow when we do an actual food review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can find us on all social media.